Hi, my name is Deb Meyer, and I'm the president of OdorXit, and this is the OdorXit dog. Sleeping, looking innocent. But the question we're answering today is, my dog peed on my couch. Now what? Do I throw it out? Can I save it? Is it worth saving? And we're going to answer that with our black light. First, you got to know where is the urine. And a black light is going to make fluoresce that urine on your fabric, on your drapes, on your carpet, and that's where you've got to apply the product. If you don't know where, then you're going to miss a spot and it's still going to smell. And then you've got to get it saturated so that the OdorXit gets to all that urine. And even if it's dried, that water is going to activate it and it's going to start smelling again. I can smell that urine. And the culprit to my right probably can too. So we're going to get that real wet. Now what I do like to say is if the area is perpendicular like that, then gravity is going to make it run off. So if you can put the footstool up and apply the OdorXit to wherever that urine is, get it pretty wet, and then put pressure on it so that it absorbs deep into the cushion, and maybe you need to add more OdorXit. It's got to get to all that urine to work with it, and it'll stop it from making an odor. So if it still smells, you've missed a spot. Go back, figure out exactly where it smells, and apply more product. The OdorXit dog is still sleeping, but what I want to say is our 4-ounce bottle of concentrate will fill up our 16-ounce ready-to-use bottle 8 times. So you've got plenty of product. It'll cover about 200 square feet if you're spraying it directly on a floor. It's going to get rid of that odor 100% when you get it to all the odor. Get the black light, get the OdorXit ready to use, and the OdorXit concentrate, and you're ready to save your couch. What's next when your dog pees on the carpet, the couch? OdorXit. OdorXit.com.